So when you get to this section, what you have to do to fix this problem is you have to scroll and search for your Snapchat app. So when you find your Snapchat app, what you have to do is to tap on it for some while. Don't tap on it to open it, but tap on it for some while and you're going to see this pop up. So what you have to do is to tap on this over here, to just tap on it. And when you tap on it, you're going to be in the app info. So when you get to the app info, tap on the storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Go back, then you tap on. So tap on the first stop, then you tap on OK. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is still good on like this. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is still good on like this. So as you can see, everything is on. Then you go back. Now tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here. Then you go back. Then when you go back, you have to scroll down and you are going to see advanced over here. Just tap on the advanced and scroll again and you are going to see app details. So tap on the app details and it's going to send you to Google Play Store where you can find this Snapchat app. So what you have to do is to tap on this update button over here that is appearing on your phone screen. When you can find update and you can see open, just leave it like that. And what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while to update. Tap on your power button for some while to restart or reboot your device. So now, as you can see, this is going to pop up. When it pop ups like this, what you have to do is to tap on restart. Then after tapping on restart, what you have to do is to tap on OK to restart your device. And when you do this, the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.